Hi, I'm Lemon, and today we're going to talk about the bald eagle, answer some true or false questions together, and make some bald eagle inspired cookies. The bald eagle is one of the largest birds of prey. It's easily recognized by its brown body and white head. Its wingspan can extend to almost 8 feet long. It can fly up to 40 miles per hour, and this bird is at the top of its food chain. Is there anything the bald eagle can't handle? Oh, right. DDT. Bald eagles historically lived and nested on the California Channel Islands until around the 1960s. It was then that the chemical pesticide DDT caused bald eagles and other seabird species to go locally extinct. DDT was one of the first pesticides ever used to control insects and pests. It was developed in the 1940s to combat things like malaria, typhus, and other insect-borne diseases. Along with helping prevent diseases, DDT was an effective tool at killing the insects that were eating crops. The publication of Rachel Carson's Silent Spring in 1962 spearheaded a widespread movement against DDT. People were not only concerned about the environmental impacts of DDT, but they were also concerned about the risks that the pesticide posed to them. Thankfully, DDT was outlawed in 1972, but unfortunately by then, a lot of fish, the bald eagle's main source of food, had absorbed DDT into their systems. So when the bald eagles ate the fish, they also got DDT in their system. DDT caused bald eagles to lay eggs that cracked under the adult's weight during incubation. Without younger eagles to take the place of the older individuals, the Catalina Island population slowly died out. After 2 whole decades without an eagle spotting, the Catalina Island Conservancy decided to team up with the Institute for Wildlife Studies to begin restoration efforts. To assist the eagles, biologists began retrieving the fragile eggs, hatching them off-site in incubators, and returning healthy chicks to the nests, where the parents accepted them back and raised them. In 2007, DDT levels had finally decreased enough to allow bald eagles to successfully hatch eggs in the wild. By 2009, all of the nests on Catalina Island were left to natural hatching. Today, between 20 and 30 bald eagles fly over Catalina Island. Now that you know a little bit more about bald eagles, it's time to test your knowledge. Here's how it'll work. I'll ask the question, and all you have to do is tell me if the answer is true or false. After I ask the question, I'll give you a few seconds to think about your answer. During that time, I'll be working on making these bald eagle cookies. Here's the recipe if you'd like to follow along. Let's get started. Here's question number 1. True or false? Bald eagles get the white feathers on their head when they turn 2 years old. The answer is false. Bald eagles get the white feathers on their head when they reach sexual maturity at age 4. Juvenile bald eagles usually have a mixture of brown and white feathers on their heads. Question number 2. True or false? Bald eagles are capable of picking up a 20-pound dog and flying away. The answer is false. Bald eagles can actually only carry about 4 pounds. They mainly eat fish, but sometimes they like to scavenge for smaller animals. Question number 3. True or false? Bald eagles can swim. The answer is actually true. Bald eagles are very strong swimmers. However, when the water's cold, they have to be careful not to get hypothermia. These birds are really only between 7 and 14 pounds. Question number 4. True or false? The talons of a bald eagle are made out of the same material that our fingernails are made out of. The answer is true. Both the claws and the talons of the bald eagle are made up by a protein called keratin. Keratin is the same protein that's in our fingernails. Keratin additionally makes up the feathers of the bird. Each bald eagle has approximately 7,000 individual feathers. Question number 5. True or false? Bald eagles can see 3 to 4 times better than humans in the daytime. The answer is true. Bald eagles have amazing eyesight. They can see something the size of a rabbit from over 3 miles away. Awesome job with those questions. Hopefully you learned something new about bald eagles today. Thanks for watching.